Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable Minecraft parental controls. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, close Minecraft and open your web browser. Next, go to the Xbox website and sign in with the Microsoft account connected to the Minecraft account experiencing the issue. After signing in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Xbox Profile. Once the profile page opens, click your profile picture again and choose Settings. From the left menu, select Safety and Privacy. Then scroll down and choose Manage Safety, Privacy, and Message Settings. Then go to Privacy section, look for options like you can join multiplayer games, and make sure it is turned on. Also, enable options such as adding friends and any other settings needed for online play. Now open the Xbox and Windows devices online section. Here you can control settings related to multiplayer and online features. After saving your changes, reopen Minecraft and check if the parental restrictions are removed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can disable Minecraft parental controls. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.